Hello everyone, myself Sachin. In this video, I'm going to discuss about B tree. What is B tree? Say if we have high volume of data, for example, case of the hard disk, and we want to access the data in blocks, then B tree is one of the best solution in such a case. Initially, I am presenting the property of the B tree. Say M order B tree is given and we are taking here m equals to 5 for example purpose. Property number 1. All leaf nodes should be at same level. Property number 2. All non-leaf node except the root may have at least m by 2 children and at most m children. For m equals to 5, at least mean 2 number of children and at most means 5 number of children. If we talk about insert operation, then we have to refer at most case. If we talk about delete operation, then we have to check our at least property. Property number 3, the number of keys is 1 less than number of children for non-leaf node and at least m by 2 and at most m minus 1 for leaf nodes. And next property is here, root may have minimum 2 children, and final property is here, keys should be placed in ascending order. So if we talk about any B tree, then B trees should satisfy these properties if we are performing either insert operation, delete operation or any other operation. Initially, I am presenting insert operation and order of trees here 5. We want to insert initially key A. Initially our node is blank, tree is empty and we have inserted A here. After insertion A, we want to insert G. G is greater than A. Obviously G comes here. G is greater than A, reason is that G comes after A in the alphabet. So therefore G should be placed in the right hand side of A. After G, we want to insert F. F comes between A and G because in the alphabet, position of F after A and before G. So therefore, F should be placed after A and before G. So we have placed F here. After it, we want to place a B. B is greater than A. So therefore, B have placed here and B is lesser than F. I mean in the right hand side of A, B have placed and in the left hand side of F, B have placed B here. So in this way, B can insert key A, G, F, B. At this moment, there is no issue because maximum number of keys should be 4 and we have here 4 number of keys. After it, we want to insert K and K is greater than G. We have insert K greater than G here. In the right hand side of G, we have inserted K. If we observe here, maximum number of keys should be 4 and number of keys are here 5. So therefore, this node should split into two parts against the mid value. Mid value is here F. So we have placed F upward and it has two children. First child has keys A, B and second child has key G and K. So in this way, we can insert key K. After K, we want to insert D, H and M. D is obviously lesser than F. So D comes in the left hand side and we have to place D in the ascending order. So therefore, D is here and after D, we want to insert H. H is our greater than F. So H should be here and in ascending order, we have placed H here. After H, we want to insert M. M is greater than F and M should be in the right hand side. In the ascending order, we have placed M here. Now we want to insert key J. J is greater than F. So in the ascending order, we have placed J here. And if we observe this particular node consists of 5 number of keys. I mean it should be split into two parts. J should go above and we have here GH and KM. So we observe here minimum number of keys are here 2 and maximum number of keys are here 3. The minimum and maximum property is satisfied and all leaf nodes are at the same level. So therefore at this moment this is the B tree. Now if we want to insert E, E is obviously lesser than F. In the ascending order we have placed E here and S is greater than J. In the ascending order we have placed S here. Now we want to insert I. I is greater than F, lesser than J. So therefore we have placed I in the ascending order here. Now we want to insert R. R is greater than J and in the ascending order we have placed R here. So in this way we can insert E, S, I and R. Now we want to insert X. X is greater than J and we have placed J, X in the right hand side of J and in the ascending order X is placed here. If we observe this particular node consists of 5 number of keys. Therefore, it should split into two parts and it should split against the R. R goes above and we have here KM and SX. In such a way, we can insert X. Now we want to insert C. C is lesser than F. So C should come in the left hand side of F and in the ascending order C is placed here. Now if we observe it consists of the 5 number of keys. Therefore this particular node should split into two parts. C should go above and we have here left child and right child. So in this way we can insert our key C. After key C, we want to insert L and T and U. L is here our greater than J and lesser than R. So therefore, L we have inserted in the ascending order in this way. Now N is our further greater than J lesser than R. So therefore, N is arranged here. Now we want to insert T. T is greater than R. So we have inserted T in the ascending order like this. Now we want to insert U. U is further greater than R and we have inserted U in the ascending order like this. So in this way we can insert L and T and U. If you want to insert key P, then P is greater than J, lesser than R. We want to insert P in between J and R. So therefore, in the ascending order, P comes here. Now we observe this particular node consists of 5 number of keys. So therefore, it should split against the two parts. M should go above and left child is should be here KL and right child should be here NP. So we have here this structure like this. Now further this particular node consists of 5 number of keys. Maximum number of keys should be 4 and I mean this node should split into two parts. J should be above and left child should be CF, right child should be MR. So we have a structure like this. So we observe here this is a B tree. All the properties of the B tree are here satisfied. So in this way we can perform the insert operation. Now we are discussing delete operation and we want to delete say key here E and key is here E. We have deleted key E here and if we observe this node consists of one number of keys. Minimum number of keys should be 2. Then we may take the borrow either from left neighbor or right neighbor. Left neighbor consists of the only 2 keys. Borrow is not possible because minimum number of keys should be 2 and right node contains here 3 keys. The borrow is here possible and if we take borrow from right neighbors then G go above and F go downward. So we have here F here and G goes above. So in this way, we have here two number of keys. Here we have two number of keys. Minimum number of keys should be 2. Therefore, property of B tree is satisfied. Now, if you want to delete key F, and if you want to delete key here F key is deleted, and we want to take the borrow from either left neighbor or right neighbor. Here left neighbor consists of the two number of keys. Borrow is not possible. Right neighbor further contains two number of keys. Borrow is not possible. If borrow is not possible, then we have only one solution. Solution is here merging. We have to merge D either with left neighbor or right neighbor. Choice is ours, and we are merging here with the right neighbors. If we merge, then DHI are merged and G also comes downwards. So therefore we have the structure like this: D, G, H and I. So in this way we can perform delete operation, and if we observe about this tree, all the properties of B tree are satisfied, just like minimum number of keys should be 2 in the leaf node and maximum number of keys should be 4 in the leaf node, and at above level minimum number of keys should be here our 1, because number of children should be here 2 and keys should be here 1. The minimum property is here satisfied and maximum properties are also satisfied. So in this way we can perform insert operation and delete operation. Thanking you.